What's up everybody, Brad here with the Money Dad channel. In this video I want to talk about GEVO, that's stock ticker GEVO, because it had a fantastic day, and really almost the entire stock market had a good day. I guess maybe if you have your whole portfolio invested in Disney you didn't have a good day, but really that's like the only ticker on my list, almost the only ticker on my list that is red. The entire market was up. Basically, you can see the S&P 500 index right here was up 1/3%. Small caps were up over 1%. So just a really good day in the stock market, and that was even more so the case for GEVO, which ended the day up 12.5%. It was a wild ride on this one. It was up even more than that at one point. I mean, you can see this candlestick right here is today. So this is where we ended at $9.81, but we got all the way as high as $10.14 all the way up here at one point. So just an incredible day for GEVO. I know I need to get rid of these ads. I just need to buy the premium version of TradingView, but hey, what are you gonna do? I don't make a ton of money. I could probably afford it. It's probably not even that much, but what can I say? I put all my money in stocks. Just kidding. I do spend a little bit of money on food for my kids every once in a while. Okay, so we're talking about GEVO because not only did it have a great day, but there's some interesting things going on this chart that I wanted to tell you guys about, because if something happens, a particular thing happens, then I think it's going to be extremely bullish for this stock. Okay, so I just had to take a phone call right there in the middle of the video, so definitely lost my train of thought, but I'm going to try to pick up where I left off. Basically, what I'm getting at is I have Fibonacci ratios on the screen here. That's all the different colored zones, and you can see GEVO, after pulling back all the way down and hitting this zone, it's bounced up and it's kind of in this zone right here, right? It's finding resistance at this zone, it's finding support at this zone level, right? This is the 50% level. We can pull this all the way back and we see this is the 50% level, this is the 38% level, and I'm using the all-time low on GEVO of 46 cents back in June of 2020 as the beginning of our Fibonacci retracement tool, and I'm using the not all-time high, but the recent high in February as the high for the Fibonacci retracement. And you can see it's found support recently at that 50% retracement level, which seems to be right around the $8 range, and it's finding resistance right around that $10 range, which is the 38% resistance level. So not only are we finding resistance here at this Fibonacci level, it also looks to me like a triple top, possible triple top right here, right, which is a strong resistance. So why am I saying that there could be something bullish happening here? Well, basically, if we break through this, not only are we in the next Fibonacci range, but we've broken through a triple top, which is significant. Triple tops are strong resistance levels, and anytime you have a breakthrough of a resistance level or a support level, once you're on the other side of that level, if it's strong, then it flips from support to resistance or resistance to support, whichever direction you're going, right? So basically what I'm getting at is if we have another big up day, if we get above this line right here, this triple top, and this line is below us, like we have a candlestick up here, this line now becomes support. That is extremely bullish because this becomes kind of a floor. See how down here, this line right here, it was kind of a floor for the stock. We didn't go below it. It acted as really strong support. If we can get above this line should act as pretty strong support. So that's bullish, right? Because that means like we're less likely to go down from there. And if you're not going down, you only got two other options. You're going sideways or up, right? So it's a bullish sign for GEVO. We need to get above this kind of triple top looking action right here. And really to do that, we need to get into the probably $10.30 range, somewhere in there. So if we can get up to that $10.30 range, we're currently sitting at $9.81. If we can get up there soon, this stock is going to look really good. And I'll probably buy into it as a short-term to medium-term trade, maybe even a long-term investment. I'm not sure yet. But we have to do it quickly. because if we start to chop around sideways, it's going to look like this triple top is actually a triple top. It's acting as resistance, and we're going to bounce back down, and we're going to hit our heads up against this and bounce back down. So we don't want to be chopping sideways here or going down for very long. We want to bust through this thing so this chart does not look like a triple top, because triple tops are extremely strong resistance. So that's what I wanted to show you guys on GEVO. I'm bullish on this stock if we can get through up to that $10.30 range. That's when I'm going to be probably entering a trade to the upside. All right. If we chop sideways for the next couple of days or we head down, then it's not looking good. I'm going to be waiting for the next setup. Okay, that's what I got for GEVO, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Let me know down in the comments below if you like the Fibonacci magic stuff. Let me know if you don't. I'm looking for feedback here, okay, guys? And if you've got any other stock tickers you want me to pull up some charts on, let me know down in the comments below too. I'll be happy to pull them up as long as there are some good talking points there, right? I need to have some chart patterns or some Fibonacci levels or something to talk about, right? Or it just doesn't make sense to make a video on it. Okay, guys? That's what I got. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, the side of fries that you got with my wings, is that for me?